So here we can see one of our characters using the kind of universal state machine that all the characters share. And you can see it's pretty limited, but we can extend it by using the Animator override service script, which can change the clips in each of those states at runtime based on some event. And so here you can see there's a prop and it is accepting click events. And the click event will pass a different animation clip to the character, so that that interaction will look different than other interactions, and this one where she samples the water in the tank. But anything that has a start and an end can be used for this. So if you were to click on a ladder, you can climb up the ladder and start and an end. Or if you click on a bar, you can flip over a gap. It's just a lot more open-ended and flexible what we can do with our characters now, and certainly a lot easier to maintain the state machine since we're just changing things as we see fit based on user interactions.